Okay, here we are on lesson 2.9, problem solving. Solve each problem, write each answer in its simplest forms. So we'll start out with number 1. David worked for 7 1/3 hours and planted 11 trees. It takes him about the same amount of time to plant each tree. How long did it take him to plant each tree? So he planted 11 trees in 7 1/3 hours. Okay, so I want to know how many hours per tree. Hours per tree. So I'm gonna put my hours on top. So 7 1/3 divided by 11. Remember that remember that this is also 11 over 1. So I can solve this by multiplying. First, I'm gonna change this from a mixed number into just a fraction. So 7 times 3 is 21. So I have 22 thirds times 1 over 11 equals 22 over 33. And this is, you can see I can divide both these numbers by 11. This is 22 divided by 11 is 2. 33 divided by 11 is 3. So it took him 2/3 of an hour to plant each tree. Okay, I'm gonna skip down and do number 4. Susan must pour 6.5 bottles of juice into 26 drink glasses for her party. If each glass gets the same amount of juice, what fraction of a bottle will each glass hold? Okay, so I want the number of bottles per glass. I want to know how many bottles will each glass hold. So bottles divided by glass. Okay, so I got 6.5 divided by 26. And I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to change this into just a fraction. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13 halves, times, and then this is the same as 26 over 1. 13 halves times 1 over 26. 13 times 1 is 13. 2 times 26. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 5. 13 over 52. I don't think I can reduce that unless, does 13 go into 52? Let's see, 13 and 13 is 26. 26 plus 3 is 39. 39 plus 13. Yeah, it does. It does go into it. So this 13 over 52 is the same as 4 divided by 13. It is the same as 1 over 4. 1/4. Okay, let's go all the way down to number 7. there is a stack of 7 crates. Each crate is 10 2/3 inches thick, inches high. How many inches high is the stack of crates? Okay, there's a stack of 7 crates. Each crate is 10 2/3. This one's, so the stack of crates is how high? So this one's multiplication, 7 crates, 7 is the same as 7 over 1, 7 crates times 10 2/3. And that is the same as 7 over 1 times 10 times 3 is 30, plus 2 is 32. 32 thirds. Okay, now I'm going to multiply across. That's going to equal 7 times 30. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 3 is 21, 22. So 224 over 3. Now I can definitely simplify that by dividing 224 by 3. So here, or divide 224 divided by 3. 3 goes into 20. 3 does not go into 2. 3 goes into 22 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Then I subtract. This is going to be 14. 3 goes into 14 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. So so that is going to be remainder 2. So I'm going to say it is, I'm getting my denominator from here. So 74 2/3 inches. Okay.